My name is Anthony Garcia, and I work for the U.S. Forest Service on the Pagosa Ranger District. We've been out doing patrols in the Turkey Springs area, looking for abandoned campfires, making public contacts, talking to folks about fire restrictions, pretty much just making sure that everybody's compliant with our fire restrictions.
I'm Officer Garcia with U.S. Forest Service.
We're just making sure, of course, that folks aren't building campfires.
I wanted to, but
yeah,
see the signs all lit up. I don't want to get in trouble.
I hear you. So most people are compliant with the fire ban. There's others that are new to the area that aren't familiar with our restrictions. So one of the things we do is public education to make sure that they understand fire restrictions, ensuring that they're not leaving abandoned campfires. So what I'm doing now is just kind of cool trailing just to make sure there's no visible heat, or I'm not feeling any heat. So this fire is obviously good. I don't think they've been building any fires. The environment is very dry. The wind has been blowing pretty much for the last month. The soils are dry, the fuels are very dry. The daytime temperatures have been, above average, I would say, for this time of year. So the worst case scenario, if there was an unattended campfire, particularly with the conditions that we're seeing right now, dry, windy conditions, there's always a chance that an unattended campfire can cause a wildfire. So leaving an unattended campfire is a Class B misdemeanor, and the fines could range up to $5,000 or 6 months in jail. The reason we're doing the patrols is due to an increase in public use of the national forests, particularly in this Pagosa Springs area. There's an increased risk of fire activity. So we want to ensure that public users enjoy the national forest, but understand that there is a risk of wildfire based on the conditions that we're seeing. Durango Dispatch, Patrol 6-1.